Moto Scout, exploring life on two wheels.
Okay, I think that means I'm recording. Going to go out and check the new GoPro setup with the external mic. It's cold, about 47 degrees, and the roads are wet, but I would want to check out the setup and see how it works. You see the weather I'm deciding to go out into. It wasn't supposed to rain for the next hour, but it's actually misting right now. But we'll just do a quick run down the road and see how the camera angle is and whether or not the sound works. So, without further ado, here we go. I have a feeling I'm just going to run down to the end of the road, get the bike up to about 60 miles an hour, and see what kind of sound I get and what kind of camera angle I've got, because I've got the GoPro in a skeleton case which is not waterproof, and I'm getting some moisture on the visor, so I'm sure it's getting on the front of the camera. I would like to think it's at least water resistant without a case, but I didn't actually read the directions. So we will find out the hard way. Alright, we're up to 50. Right at 60 miles an hour, which is the limit for this road-ish. It is actually a little bit windy today, so there might even be more wind noise. I am hoping I've got this thing set up to where you can hear me well. Definitely getting some rain on the windshield, so on the visor. Get home and dry off this GoPro. Here's what I'd like to do on the channel. I'd like to basically explore all things on two wheels. That's where the Scout comes in. Moto Scout. That could be finding good roads to ride, finding interesting destinations, whether it be, good places to hike, neat places to eat, just things you might want to do on a weekend getaway on two wheels. I'd hope to get out for a little bit longer than this, but I don't really want to get this GoPro wet. I have a feeling that you're not getting very good shots at this point because my visor is full of raindrops. So the GoPro likely is too. But that ought to give us a good idea of what the sound quality was, and whether or not I need to adjust the helmet angle, or the camera angle on the helmet. If you can't tell, I have mounted the camera to the side of my helmet. This helmet kind of prevents you from doing a chin mount, which is what I probably would have gone with, but we'll take a look at the footage and see what we've got. But if you're watching this, I hope that you will subscribe and come back and see me when I've gotten a little bit better at it and have all the kinks worked out. Got a cool intro logo being developed for me by my son, and really looking forward to get that, but that's probably a week or two away. So for now, thanks for joining, and I'll see you soon.